am tired. I am knackered. I don't know when to hear this, but I'm going to say it. 75 hard. Oh my god, I'm tweaking. 75 hard is not for the week. Yes, today is day for 3 on 75 hard, and I'm just happy I'm going through with it. On a normal day, I would have derailed. I don't really be sticking to diets. I would have derailed from this diet thing. But if it's any consolation, the body is tea. The body is tea. I can hear the British coming with their crumpets. Waist wear. Wait. Somebody call the popo. Find my missing waist. Put Amber Alert out there. Don't play. Nah, the body's tea. Ah! But yeah, let me try it. Wow, let me try it. I'm about to make lunch. I feel like having some okra. I don't know if I want to make like okra soup, like elastic, or I want to make like red stew on its own with some okra on the side. But you know, let me get everything out. Okra, right? I got this from H-E-B. I couldn't go to the African store because I live far away from African store, so I grabbed this from H-E-B. I have some mackerel fish from the African store, obviously. It's been in my freezer for a while, so I had to thaw it out and all that. Oh, this one. This is like the carcass from the branzino I made the other day. So what I'm going to do, I will try to incorporate this into the soup just to give it extra flavor, because you know, fish, like seafood carcass, be adding extra flavor into the food. Of course, some shrimps. I think I'm just going to make okra and stew. I have some chili and habanero in here. More scotch bonnet pepper, tomatoes, obviously, red bell peppers. I will wash all my vegetables. I don't care. I don't care how long it takes me to wash it. It must be washed. Oh, one of my biggest pet peeves in the kitchen. Actually, I will just talk about my kitchen pet peeves today. One of my biggest pet peeves in the kitchen is when people wash food and they do this. What's the whole point of you washing? It's to make it clean, yeah? You're supposed to wash from one bowl into another bowl. When you do this, oh, you can never pay me to eat in your house. I don't even eat out on a normal day. I don't eat in other people's houses. But when you do that, you're a dirty person. Because at the end of the day, everything you're washing is just down here. It's, people piss me off. Now you can tip the water out. When it is clean, tip the water out just to get the water away from it. I'm such a Yoruba boy. 6 scotch bonnet peppers, 3 tomatoes, 3 bell peppers, and 2 red jalapenos. Back to kitchen pet peeves. If your dishes are not washed before you start cooking, there's no way you want to tell me that food is hygienic. There's no way you want to tell me. Because what are dirty dishes doing in your sink and you're about to cook? You must be a charlatan. Dirty dishes and food does not even go together. Wash your dishes before you start cooking, please. 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 And if you're like, don't wash it, it's your business, because I'm not about to eat the food anyways. Also, washing all your utensils as you go. Like, get your utensils, wash everything as you go. Make sure everything is clean, so that way you don't have like a bunch of dishes. You know what? People need to start cooking smart. I mean, if you want to get your partner to wash the dishes as you go, definitely do it. But I'm very much single, and I don't have partners, so what do you expect? For some reason, I like to keep the fish head. I told the man, cut the fish with a lot of meat. Look at this. Then I saw the first one. I said, sir, make sure the second one is very tangible. The fish head is quite flavorful, so I like to keep it in my soup. Growing up, my mom let us be in the kitchen very young. My mom would always allow us, come into the kitchen to help out. And every time we wash like fish or vegetables or meat or anything like that, my mom would rewash them. This is why, as an adult, no matter how much you're trying to help me in the kitchen, I probably will not just let you wash the fish and meat and vegetables. I'll let you do some cutting here and there. But when it comes to like washing the produce and washing like the proteins, I just want to leave myself. Because if you wash it, then I have to rewash it. Now you have to feel bad, like maybe you didn't do a very good job. But that's not the case. It's just the way I was brought up. pet peeve of mine, not building your flavors as you go. Like not trying to add the salt and seasoning to your food all at once is diabolical. Get somebody else to do it. I'll let it sit in the refrigerator till I'm ready to use it. Is not firm, take it back. I feel like my kids are going to have a field day when I become parents. Oh! No, I feel like I will have a field day when I become parents. My kids, they know if they buy me soft tomatoes, they're taking it back to the store. Take it back. Go and tell them I don't want it. If you're making Nigerian soups for me, if it is watery, I'm not eating that soup. If it's Nigerian soups, it should not be watery. Please. I'm tired. I've been doing all of this past week. Oh, yo, by the way, I'm talking to my best friend. You want to say this to the camera? Where are you? Okay, where's the camera? Oh my God, where's the camera? Oh, okay, you can see. That's him right there. Say something to the camera. Say something to the audience.
Okay, hold on. Hi, I'm from this place, so I should never be shy. Hey guys, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please motivate me so that you can stop being a lazy bitch and just.
Okay, yeah, get the. How are you gonna say? Oh, subscribe to this YouTube channel, motivate me so that I can stop being a little bitch? Like, are you crazy? What's the guy?
The point is that
Keep your enemies closer. It looks like this one is part of my enemies, and I've kept this one closer.
Well, you're stuck with me for life.
Oh, I don't know about that. Where is it at? They don't give me scissors. May I cut the friendship before I go next year? Save the oil from the fish to cook the stew. I'm not going to really put oil in my stew, so I'll save the oil for the thing. Anytime I make a very, very good soup or stew base, I like to keep some for, for later use, because this is very nice. If you do not know how to cook on medium to low heat, I don't know what to tell you, because why do you think the next thing you want to do is cook your food in hellfire? Try to eye it, calm down, it's enough, relax. So delicious. I'll try not to use all the fishes though, but maybe use it. I don't know, maybe not. Yeah, maybe just use it. I really don't think this one needs salt again, because the fish is salted, it was well seasoned before I started baking it, if anything, before I started roasting it. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. It works. You understand that if you're Nigerian, when you make okra and stew, you have to eat it with a swallow. Not everything is fufu because everybody on the internet, fufu. Shut up! I said that in my house, you do not have to worry about other types of foods tasting or smelling like peppers and onions. I'm for real. Because this is my smoothie blender. It's from Beast, by the way. Beast. Can you see that? They sent it to me. I did a partnership with Beast, so that's why I got this. So yeah. And also my food jars are from Amazon. I will be linking them in my description for you. So in case you guys want to purchase, I got a little commission when you do so. Yeah. I think I'm one of the few Nigerians that always have swallow very like my swallow must be like almost watery. I don't know. For some reason, that's the only way I can enjoy swallow, please. Because if you're supposed to even swallow it, because I don't even swallow it. I choose sometimes like if we're about to swallow it, I'm not about to swallow stones and pebbles, please. They will break my bones. And I'm not eating this right now. I'll probably wait like after this I'll take a shower, you know, look good, and eat this. By the time I'm ready to eat this, it's going to be a little bit you know, it's going to be a little bit like harder. So yeah, it's going to be a little bit hard by the time I'm ready to consume this. It's not very adult to consume. By the time I'm ready to devour, it will be hard. This is very perfect, very compact. I saw a TikTok where one girl said she meal prep swallow. I'm like, how do you meal prep swallow? And people will agree with her. I mean, obviously there are people who would actually disagree, like, no, you can't do that. Because if anything, girl, life is never that serious. Just put some water in the microwave and make fresh batch all the time. The only reason why I would have like leftover swallow is just because I made it in excess. But I'm not going to sit down and meal prep swallow. Who does that? My ancestors are going to be rolling in their graves. Please. In this moment, you wash your hands and eat with your hands. This is busting. This is quite messy. I can't really do a lot of eating on camera because of the sliminess of the okra, but this is good. And this works very well for my 75-hour diet. So I'm doing no processed food, no processed sugars, doing more baked food and less oil, and this just works well. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you're still here by now, you definitely love me. So thanks for sticking by. I'm going to be catching you in the next video. Bye.